In front of me is OPPO FIND N2 FLIP, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this OPPO. First of all, you need to locate an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Now select Clean section at the bottom left corner and tap on Clean under Junk Files. Lastly, just clear in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after that, storage of my OPPO was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!